Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to show you how virtual assistants can use Canva to make their work easier, faster, and more professional. So if you are just starting out as a VA or just already helping coach and course creator, Canva can really save your time and impress your clients. So what is Canva in simple words? Is an online design tool where you can create social media posts, presentation, banner, and even documents. Okay. So the best part, you don't need to be a professional designer. Canva gives you a template that makes everything look polished with just a few clicks. So as a VA, this is a gold because your clients want content that look good without waiting weeks for a designer. So let's say a coach hire you to manage their Instagram. So instead of starting from scratch, you can go into Canva and search for an Instagram post. Here in the search bar of Canva. Okay, there you go. We have some templates. This one for blank, and that is for free and premium. Okay, so you can choose here categories, all right, and start. You can take anyone here, all right. So for example, this one, you click here three dots and you just customize these templates. For example, this one. So here you go. Here you can customize the color, logo, the style, and it just in few minutes you have got weeks worth of professional looking post ready. So that's huge value for your client and it's make you look efficient. Okay. So let's take another example. For example, launches or webinar. Coaches often need slide for their webinar or workshop. With Canva, you can take ready-made slide template. Like the last example, you can search here in the bar of Canva, slide, right? Search for slide, and here you go. You have a free version, Premiere, okay? So you can take ready-made slide template, like this one, click here in three dots, and click to customize this template. You adjust the text, and deliver something clear and professional. So this take you maybe 1 hour instead of 3 or 4. And it shows the client that you understand their needs. Okay. And one more is branding. So Canva has what's called brand kits. Okay. So this lets you keep your client's color, font, and logo in one place. So every design you create stay consistent. That's something clients love because it makes their brand look sharp and professional across all platforms. Okay. So this one is for pro version. So to sum up, if you are a virtual assistant, Canva, it's not just a tool. It's like your secret weapon for creating content quickly and keeping your clients happy. So you don't have to be a designer. You just need to know how to use the template smartly. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more tips from virtual assistants, launches, and Notion templates, make sure to subscribe and hit the bar so you don't miss the next one. And let me know in the comments. Do you already use Canva or are you just starting to try it out?